I will check Y's also before starting the class. Okay. Before starting the class, check Y's also. Y's is okay or not. Before starting the class, check Y's also. Y's is okay or not. Now, study classes continue. Here, integration of x upon x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. So, how can solve this type of problem? Simply look here very carefully. If x square is taken t, okay, because y, if x square is taken t, then numerator is dt, okay. If differentiate, then we got 2x dx replaced dt. So x into dx, that is dt by how much? 2. So now put here, this one written 1 by 2 dt divided by how much? T square plus t plus 1. Okay, 1 by 2 dt divided by under 1 by 2 integration of dt divided by t square plus t plus 1. Okay, so how can do? Simply look here, how can make this one make perfect square? Basically t square plus t plus 1 is written as, if multiply by 2 then divide by 2 into t. So 1 by 2 to the whole square adding, and also 1 by 2 to the whole square subtracting, means 1 by 4 is subtracting, and plus 1. Then what about that value? Simply this one is written t plus 1 by 2 to the whole square, okay, plus 4 minus 1, that is plus 3, or you can say that root 3 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, I hope so clear. This one make perfect square. So how can make perfect square? Perfect square means a plus b to the whole square type, or a minus b to the whole square. But here a square plus b plus 2ab. How can make 2ab? If multiply 2 and divide by 2 into t, so basically b is how much? 1 by 2. So that's why 1 by 2 to the whole square adding, and minus 1 by 2 to the whole square subtracting. Then we got this one is a perfect square, and after these two are solving, we got how much? Root 3 by 2 to the whole square. Now this value, this one replaced to that one. Okay, so you can say that how much? 1 by 2 integration of dt divided by how much? T plus half of whole square plus root 3 by 2 to the whole square. I know that integration of dx divided by x square plus a square is how much? 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a plus c. And what here? What about x? X is basically t plus 1 by 2. And what about a? A is root 3 by 2. So if you apply that formula here, then written 1 by 2 into 1 by a. A is root 3 by 2 into tan inverse t plus half divided by root 3 by 2 plus c. And after that t replaced to how much? X square, because I have taken t this equal to x square is t. So t replaced to x square. Okay, now look here very carefully. This one written how much? 2 cancel. So simply 1 by root 3 into tan inverse t, basically x square. So x square plus half. Okay, if take LCM, then right now here very simple, 2 into x square plus 1 divided by how much? Simply root 3 plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step, I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. I hope so clear. Now take another problem also. Wait, I will explain again. Okay. Now, question is integration of x upon under root x. Integration of x upon x to power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx. How can integrate? Simply, if you see very carefully, here in denominator x to power 4 plus x square plus 1, okay, and numerator is x into dx. If x square is taken t, then x dx replace to dt by 2. Okay, so that's why replace like that one, and after that we got like that one. Next target is how can integrate this one. If this one will make perfect square, if this type of quadratic equation available in denominator, then always make perfect square. Okay, perfect square means a plus b to the whole square or a minus b to the whole square. So here positive, so make a plus b to the whole square means a square plus 2ab. 2 is not it, ab a is available but b is not available, so multiply 2 and divide by 2. So basically b is how much? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 to the whole square adding and 1 by 2 to the whole square subtracting. After that we got how much? T plus half to the whole square plus root 3 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, now I know that this one replaced to that one, so written here. Okay, now next target is, after that look here, integration of dx divided by under root x x square plus a square is written as 1 by a into tan inverse x upon a. Okay, so here x is how much? T plus half, and a is how much? Root 3 by 2. So put here and we got like that one. And next target is basically t is how much? Root 3 t is how much? X square. So finally t replaced to x square, and then we got the final answer. I hope so clear. I hope so clear. Okay, now next target, we have focus on next target. Next question, question number 2, integration of x to power 4 plus 1 upon x to power 6 plus 1 into dx. X to power 4 plus 1 upon x to power 6 plus 1. Okay, so how can do this type of problem? Simply first of all, everyone can try integration of here x to power 4 plus 1 upon x to power 6 plus 1 dx. First of all, everyone can try, then after that I will do. Okay, I know that a plus b to the whole square is how much? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so you can say that a square plus b square, this is equal to how much? A plus b to the whole square minus 2ab. A is x, so you can say that x square plus 1 to the whole square minus 2 into x square. So x to power 4 plus 1 is written as how much? X square plus 1 to the whole square. So basically this one written x square plus 1 to the whole square minus 2x square divided by how much? X to power 6. Look here, a cube plus b cube is written as how much? A plus b into a square plus b square minus a into b. Okay, so here x square to whole cube plus 1 to whole cube is written as x square plus 1 into x to power 4 plus 1 minus x square. Okay, look here. So that value replaced to x square plus 1 into x to power 4 plus 1 minus x square into dx. Look here very carefully. That one, x square plus 1 to the whole square divided by how much? X square plus 1 into x के power 4 minus x square plus 1 into dx minus 2 into x square divided by how much? This one basically x to power 6 plus 1 into dx. Now look here, this one written x square plus 1 divided by how much? X to power 4 plus 1 minus x square into dx, and this one written simply minus 2 into x square divided by how much? X to power, this one written x cube to whole square plus 1 into dx. Okay, also clear? If this one is I1 and that is I2 and this one take I, so I this equal to, this is equation number 1, this one take I1 and this one take I2. You can solve individually one and I1 and I2, and after that these two value put here and we got the final answer. Okay, I hope so clear. So now look here very carefully. How can solve this type of problem? Simply one by one we have focus on I1. Integration of, look here, integration of x square plus 1 upon x to power 4 plus 1 minus x square. If divide by x square, then we got how much? 1 upon 1 by x square. This one written x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 into dx. Okay, and that one written integration of 1 plus 1 by x square into dx divided by, how can make perfect square? Now if let here x minus 1 by x is t, so you can say that x square plus 1 by x square, this will equal to t square plus 2, and 1 plus 1 by x square dx replaced to dt. Okay, so this one written how much? X plus 1 by x to the whole square, sorry, not 1 by x to the whole square. Okay, clear? This one written x minus 1 by x to the whole square minus 1 minus 2, so minus 2 plus 2, so plus 2 and minus 1. Okay, now look here, that is dt divided by how much? That is t square plus 1 basically. So you can say that this one written tan inverse t plus c1. So tan inverse t basically x minus 1 by x plus c1. After that we have focus on next I2. How can do I2? Okay. I2 is how much? Simply integrate 2 into x square upon here x. Now here x square this equal to y, x cube this equal to y, so 3 x square dx replace to dy. So x square dx replace to dy by 3. So you can say that 2 by 3 dy divided by y square plus 1. So 2 by 3 into tan inverse y plus c2, and y basically this one into 2 by 3 tan inverse y. Y is how much? X cube plus c2. Okay, clear? Now after that I1 I2 put here in equation number 1. Then you can say that I is how much? What about that value? Simply tan inverse x minus 1 upon x, and this one written how much? Minus 2 by 3 into tan inverse x cube plus, now c1 plus c2 both are constant, so these two are replaced to another constant c. So written c. c1 plus c2 this is equal to how much? C. Okay. This is the final answer. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step. I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. Now I will explain again. Look. Our motto, how can solve this type of problem? Integration of x to power 4 plus 1 divided by x to power 6 plus 1 dx. Simply, if you divided by x square, then no more advantage. Okay, because of if you got here x to power x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, you can go, this one is going on very complicated way. That's why I know that a plus b to the whole square is replaced to a square plus b square minus 2ab, means a square plus b square is also written as a plus b to the whole square minus 2ab. Okay, here x to power 4 plus 1, so this one written x square to whole square plus 1 is written as how much? X square plus 1 to the whole square minus 2 into x square into 1. So that's why 1 x to power 4 plus 1 is replaced to how much? X square plus 1 to the whole square minus 2 into x square. Okay. Now another way, a cube plus b cube is how much written? A plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, minus a into b. So here x in denominator x to power 6 plus 1, x to power 6 is written as how much? X square to whole cube plus 1. Okay, so you can say that a basically how much? X square, and b basically 1. So you can say that a plus b means x square plus 1 into a square plus 1. Okay, a square means how much? X square to the whole square, basically x to power 4 plus 1 minus a into b. So a is how much? X square into b is how much? 1. So simply x square. Now this one replaced to that one, so written here. After that this one divide here and divide here. Basically if this one divide, then here x square plus 1 is cancelled out, then we got like that one, and this one basically that one, so written here simply. Here I1, here I2, after that I1 and here I2. How can solve? Look, if divide by x square, then we got how much? 1 plus 1 upon x square dx, divide by x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 into dx. Okay, and that one after that, if x minus 1 upon x is t, then what about dx? What about dt? 1 plus 1 upon x square dx, this equal to dt. So that's why this one taken t. Here dt available, so this one make perfect square. After that you can integrate. Okay, we got like that one. Next target, this one here x cube, this equal to t, so x square dx, this equal to dt by 3. After that this one replace, then we got final answer like that one. These two value put here in equation number 1, then we got final answer. Okay, I hope so clear. Make it okay. If anyone face any doubt, then comment it. Sir, I face the doubt corresponding to that step. I will please sir explain. Then I will explain. Okay. Now another problem, question number 3. Here cosec x cube dx. How can solve this problem? Okay, here integration of cosec x cube dx. This question you can do lot of method, but how can more simplify? If this one written here, cosec cube means 1 by how much? Sin cube x dx, or if multiply by sin, okay. Another way, this one written sin x dx divided by this one written sin square into sin square. So you can say that 1 minus cos square, or you can say that 1 minus cos square x to whole square. I hope so clear. Sin square is written as how much? 1 minus cos square x. Okay. Simply this one written, I is written how much? If sin x is t, cos x is t, then let here cos x is t, then sin x dx is written as minus dt. So written minus dt divided by how much? 1 minus t square to whole square. So this one written dt divided by how much? 1 plus basically t to power 4 plus 1 minus 2t square. Okay, t to power 4 minus 2t square plus 1. Okay, how can solve this type of problem? Minus here if 1 by 2, here t square plus 1 minus 1 minus t square minus 1. Basically 1 is written as how much? And t to the power 4 minus 2t square plus 1. Okay. Here 1 is written as, if multiply 2 and divide by 2, then written minus 1 by 2, and also t square adding and t square subtracting. Then what is the advantage of that one? Simply written 1 minus 1 by 2, here 1 plus t square dt divided by how much? T to power 4 plus 1 minus 2t square, and this one minus minus plus 1 by 2 t square minus 1 divided by t to power 4 plus 1 minus 2t square into dt, and that is I. Okay, this one I1 and that is I2. Okay, simply you can consider this is I1 and that is I2. So how can solve I1 I2? look here, I1 is how much? Minus half into this one written, if divided by t square, numerator and denominator, then this one written 1 plus 1 by t square into dt, divided by how much? T square plus 1 upon t square minus 2. After that, what about that value? Simply t minus 1 by t is replaced to y. So let here, so t basically 1 minus 1 upon t square dt, this will equal to dy, and also t square plus 1 by t square replaced to how much? Squaring both sides, then we got how much? T square plus 1 by t square minus 2, this will equal to y square. So t square plus 1 by t square is written as y square plus 2. Okay, so this one written minus half into dy divided by how much? This one written y square plus 1. Okay, so simply y square. Simply y square, and y square is basically minus y. So minus minus plus 1 by 2 into y plus c1, and y basically how much? T minus 1 by t plus c1. Okay, now after that we focus on how can determine I2. So first of all, make it I2 is how much? I2 basically 1 by 2 into integration of t square plus 1, t square minus 1, again divide by this one and this one, divide by t square, then this one written 1 minus 1 by t square into dt, divided by how much? T square plus 1 by t square minus 2. Now here t plus 1 by t is how much? P. So 1 minus 1 by t square replaced to dt replaced to dp. So this one written how much? 1 by 2 dp divided by how much? If squaring both sides, then you can say that t square plus 1 by t square replaced to how much? P square minus 2. P square minus 2. So this one written p square minus 2. So what about that value? 1 by 2 into 2a. A is how much? Root 2. So root 2 into how much? Log of p minus root 2 divided by p plus root 2 modulus of n plus c, c2. So this one written 4 root 2 into log of modulus of p, basically how much? T plus half, t plus 1 by t minus root 2 divided by t plus 1 by t plus root 2 plus c2. Now these two value, here I2 and here I1, these two value put in equation number 1. Then we got I is how much? Simply 1 by 2 into t minus 1 by t plus 1 by 4 root 2 into log of modulus of You can solve this one, then retain t square minus root 2t plus 1 divided by how much? T square plus root 2t plus 1. C1 plus C2, this will be equal to C. I, this will be equal to how much? 1 upon 2. T basically how much? Cos x. So you can say that this one is cos x minus 1 by cos, this is sec x. So cos x minus sec x, 1 by 2 into cos x minus sec x plus 4 upon plus 1 upon 4 root 2 into log of this one written how much? Cos x to the whole square minus root 2 into cos x plus 1 whole divided by cos square x plus root 2 into cos x plus 1. C1 plus C2, that is how much? C is the final answer. Okay, I also clear. So first of all, make it, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Silly mistake, p square minus 2. Okay, if and here minus 2, okay, right 4. Now in this part, t plus 1 by t is p. So t square plus 1 by t square is written as how much? P square minus 2. Okay, so you can say that minus p square minus 2 and here minus 2 already, so minus 4. Recheck again, is right or wrong? This one take I1 and this one take I2. So you can solve individually one by one. Okay, clear? Here 1 by minus 1 by 2 t square plus 1 minus t square minus 1. Okay, everything is clear now. So we have focus on first part, I1 minus half into 1 plus t square. So if 1 by divided by 1 by t square, numerator and denominator, so this one written t square plus how much, 1 by t square minus 2. Okay, clear? Now look here very carefully. In this part, if t minus 1 by t is taken t y, okay, let so 1 plus 1 upon t square dt replace to dy. Now squaring both side, this one and this one written t square plus 1 by t square minus 2, this will equal to y square. So t square plus 1 by, or you can say this simply, this part is basically t minus 1 by t to the whole square. So you can say that minus 1 by 2 here dy divided by how much, this one written y square. So this one written minus half into y square integration, y square basically y to power minus 2 dy. Okay, so this one written 1 by 2 y to power minus 2 plus 1, that is y to power minus 1. So simply 1 by y. Okay, simply 1 by y plus c1. So 1 by 2 into y, y basically how much, t minus 1 by t, okay, plus c1. Okay, this is equation number 1. We got I1. After that I will focus on I2. Okay, after that I will focus on I2. So how can do I2? Look here, I2 is how much, 1 by 2 into integration of, again here also 1 minus 1 by t square divided by t square, numerator and denominator, then numerator is written 1 minus 1 upon t square dt divided by how much, t square plus 1 by t square minus 2. Okay, now here t plus 1 by t is taken p, so 1 minus 1 by t square dt is written as how much, dp. Okay, now after that look here, squaring both sides, then p is t square plus 1 by t square plus 2, this will equal to p square. So you can say that t square plus 1 by p square, this will be equal to p square minus 2. Now this value put here, then we got how much, 1 by 2 dp divided by p square minus 2 minus 2, that is how much, minus 4, means 2 to the whole square. So you can say that 1 by 2 into 2a, a is 2, into log of modulus of p minus 2 divided by p plus 2 plus c2. Okay, now put these two value, this one written 1 upon 2 into t minus 1 by t plus c1 plus this one written 2 to the 4 to the 8, so 1 by 8 into log of p basically how much, t plus half, t plus 1 by t, so this one written t plus 1 by t minus 2 divided by how much, t plus 1 by t plus 2. plus C2 plus C1, that is C. Now look here very carefully. This one written T divided by how much? 2 into T square minus 1 plus 1 by 8 into log of, take else this one written T square plus 1 minus 2T, okay, divided by T square plus 1 minus plus 2T plus C. Now T replaced to how much? Cos x. So cos x divided by 2 into cos square x minus 1 plus 1 by 8 into log of this one, basically how much? T minus 1 to the whole square, okay, or you can say that T minus 1 to the whole square or 1 minus T to the whole square, okay. So this one written 1 minus T basically cos x, so 1 minus cos x divided by this one written 1 plus cos x plus C, okay, or you can say that another way, 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into cos x upon how much? Sin square x. Basically here if this one written minus common, then written 1 minus cos square x, so 1 minus cos square x basically sin square x, so minus sin square x, so written how much? Cos x upon 2 into minus cos sin square x plus 1 by 8 into how much? Log of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x plus C is the right answer. Make it. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Square is square, so to whole square, so basically here written 2, okay, so we got how much? Basically 1 by 4, okay. This one T plus 1 to the whole square, or you can say the 1 minus cos to the whole square, here 1 plus cos x to the whole square, so basically 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos to the whole square, and this 2 to whole power log of a square means you can return 2 into log a, so that 2 is going on here, so 2 into 1 by 8, so 1 by 4, so that's why 1 by 4 written here, okay. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. I will discuss again. Now I will explain again. First of all, make it very carefully, okay. Now how can do this type of problem? Simply question is how much? Integration of cosec cube x dx. So this one written 1 by sin x to whole power 3 dx. After that this one written sin x upon sin x to power 4 dx, and this one written sin x dx divided by 1 minus cos square x to whole square. After that let cos x this be equal to t, so sin x into dx this be equal to minus dt, so replace that one, then we got like that one, dt divided by 1 minus t square to the whole square. 1 minus t square is, if this one expand, 1 minus t square means a minus b to the whole square is how much? 1 plus a square plus b square minus 2ab, so we got like that one. After that this one if multiply by 2 divide by 2, then we got how much? And also 2 is written as t, and also t square adding and t square subtracting, then we got like that one, okay. So individually divide by how much? T square plus 1 upon denominator plus if multiply minus minus plus, so t square minus 1 dt divided by how much, like that one. Here I1, here I2. I1 is how much, this one. In this part basically look, numerator 1 plus 1 by t square dt means if t minus 1 by t is taken y, then this one dy. After that t square is squaring both side, then we got how much or you can say that this one is basically y square. Okay, this one is basically t minus 1 by t to the whole square, so you can say that 1 by y square. Integration of this one we got like that one. After that y replace in the terms of t, so written like that one. Now next target is we have focused on I2. I2 is given how much, like that one. If divided by t square, numerator and denominator, then like that one. Now next target, here t plus 1 by t is taken p. If both side differentiate, then we got how much, like that one. And squaring both side, then t square plus 1 by t square plus 2, this will equal to how much, p square. After that t square plus 1 by t square is replaced to p square minus 2. Okay, now so 1 by 2 into dp divided by p square minus 2, and also minus 2 also available, so p square minus 4. Okay, so p4 is also written 2 square, so you can say that half into dp divided by p square minus 4. 4 means 2 square. So apply here formula. Integration of dx divided by x square minus a square is written as 1 upon 2a into log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Basically x is how much, p. So and what about a? A is how much, 2. So p minus 2 divided by p plus 2, and written 1 upon 2a, so 2 into a, and this 2 written here. Okay, after that p replaced to how much, t plus 1 by t. Okay, then we got like that one, and these two value, this one and this one, put here in equation number 1. Then we got like that one after resolving. Okay, and finally t replaced to how much, cos x. Then we got final answer is minus half into cos x upon sin square x plus 1 by 4 into log of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x plus c is the right answer. Make it.